funny.
You are so funny. What's so funny? What's so funny right now? Are you trying to talk or are you laughing real hard? Watch later, they're gonna be like, "Well, yeah, he's got brain damage. That's just how he's gonna communicate for the rest of his life." He's gonna be like 25 years old, just going.
No.
You are so funny. You're gonna like. You're not gonna be like Louis C.K. or something. You're gonna be like Jim Carrey with all those noises. I know you're gonna be a stand-up comedian when you get older. Knock knock. Who's there?
Did that tucker you out? Did that tucker you out?
He got the boy water.
Okay, Duncy, we get it. Well, we really don't, but... What is your deal?
Mwah.
Kisses.
Mwah.
Kisses.
I love you, son. I love you. Is this normal? Do most babies do that or no?
I don't know, I'm sure. Oh, gotta eat it.
That's Daddy's broken jaw. Don't do that.
They tried to do it.
I'm gonna give you an Eskimo kiss and a real kiss. Daddy got home from work early just to give you a bath. We're gonna play the cup game. Where I
And
pour
finger puppets.
6 finger puppets. Actually, just 5 finger puppets.
Finger puppets.